Hello my friends. So today I'm going to show you how to connect ec2 instance with Putty. Right. So let's go with ec2 instance. This one is I have already created. I have already created a video on how to create a ec2 instance. Right. So go to my playlist and check the video from there. So in this video, you can see here public key. Okay. So copy it. Right. So now you need two software, Puttygen and Putty. So first of all, you need to click on Puttygen and then need to load the key which we have already downloaded, right? So come to the download section and click on all files, then select here my key.pem. This one is created when we are creating a ec2 instance, right? This is a public key. Sorry, this is a key pair, right? So open, okay, and now save the private key. Yes, then give the private key name, right? So key pair, and now save, right? Now close this window and now click on Putty. So here provide the public IP address and then come to the SSH, click on auth, expand it, credentials, and here provide the ppk file path, right? Open. Now click on open. It will ask you the username. Okay, so let's provide here username and 2. There you go. ec2 instance is connect. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.